Go.
USAF by Wyatt. First, we have the B-2 stealth bomber with 4 planes on each side of it flying over a football stadium. Next, we have the F-11 7A. Next, we have a P-40 Warhawk at the Wright-Patterson Air Force Museum. Then we have the B-17, also known as the Memphis Belle, completed all 100 missions. Next, am I allowed to say a cuss?
No.
Next, we have the Strawberry.
Bad words.
Yeah. The Strawberry Bad Word at the Wright-Patterson Air Force Museum. F-11 7A again. Then we have the
Forget.
Blackbird. SR-71, also known as the Blackbird. Then we have a nuclear bomb. It's dead at the Wright-Patterson Air Force Museum. It's fake. Then we have the B-2 stealth bombers attacking somewhere or practicing. I think that's the. I don't really know. I think that. Wait.
Don't ask me.
Then we have the B-17 at the Wright-Patterson Air Force Museum. Then we have the Blackbird and some other planes around it that I do not know. That one's from NASA. That's it.
Good job.